yeah, so you got traffic over here, minimum factor, the smaller line here. Yeah, start go back to all the start, see all that traffic there. So once you get to Woolly Gate, it's gonna get more complicated because there's a lot of traffic there. And so this is a north-up display. It basically has the map like north, whatever the Earth is, like relatively is north to you, and you move within the map. I'm sorry, the map moves kind of like in the background. So you're having a hard time following that? So what I could do is I could change the map setting to keep track of. And so then now the map moves to you. And you see you're to the right of the purple line. You see how you're to the right of the purple line? You gotta get back on track, right? Yeah, so you gotta go left, get back on track. Watch your altitude. Don't descend too much, just a little bit. Like literally, put it on the line, push it down just a little bit, and you see this, kind of minus 100, right? Like you start with the minus 100 a little bit, right there. That's all you need, tiny corrections. Don't like, don't do this, but then, we're going to be doing a lot of this, right? And then not boring, it's fire. So you want to do that. Back off from the tower. You are descending, right? You got to pull back just a little bit to maintain out. Right? So look carefully. I'm changing power settings based off preamps and temperatures and stuff like that. You got to compensate for what I'm doing, which is see if I pull back from the power, it's because I need the cylinder